Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, if you're wondering what we're doing, we're gonna be reacting to space sounds. So, you thought space was silent? Well, it isn't. All these, so yeah, let's get right into the video. First, we're starting off with the sun. Okay, the sun does not sound normal. It sounds like a heater. A sweet sound. Birds across the earth making very big sounds. Hell no, hell no. I don't want to live on Mars anymore. Oh, Mars sounds creepy as hell. What the hell is this? Venus, you do not sound normal. You are my favorite planet, and now you do not. Uranus, play this thing out, play this way. Okay. Neptune doesn't sound normal. Neptune doesn't sound normal. Jupiter time. Oh, we're ready for Saturn. Oh no, I'm not ready for Saturn. I just need to get fixed in my chip. Okay, now I'm definitely ready for this video. I love these rings. These rings are big and massive, but I am very scared. Why is there no stars in the background? Sounds like it sounds like Pluto is singing a song like this. What the fuck? It sounds like a TV glitching or something. It sounds like when you're watching Make. That does not sound normal. Aries, the creepiest planet and creepiest dwarf planet of the solar system. What the? It sounds like a car revving its engine, kind of. Gong gong. What's a gong? Who's gong gong? What? Sounds like a shower. Sounds like a shower. This is not normal. We better not get to Phobos and Deimos because I already know what they sound like. I guess so. What did? Skip this part. Orcus. Oh, I hate beep. Alex, what do you have to say about that? It's very creepy. Exactly. Standard does not sound normal. Oh god.
Scale your marketing with.
Alright. So yeah, we're gonna next episode. Scary sound of space. Let's skip. We know the sun vibrates. We know Mercury does that. that as well. And we know Venus does that. Why does it sound like that? We've hit this one. I don't know if I've hit this one. You know, we're gonna skip all the planets. We're gonna skip the planets for now. Interstellar space. Interstellar space does not sound normal. I'm using my album. Part 2! Oh, I just got jump scared. Why did I just get I got jump scared by a space. I just got jump scared by a pulsar. Are you joking me? It's just a Are you joking me? That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I just got scared by a pulsar. Helicopter, helicopter. Galaxies. It kind of sounds like water drops. Supernova 1987A. 2001 this was captured. Neutron stars! Oh, don't catch it all but together. It's gonna boom the supernova. That supernova wasn't that bad. Never mind. Quasar. Shut up! Oh, that's getting in my ears. This doesn't sound normal. Space doesn't sound normal. Part 3, that was all you joking. Okay.
Eve to me is basically freedom. It's a giant open universe where you can do whatever you want.
So I can kill myself?
You
I'm
can-
just joking. Orion Nebula. Whoa! Jupiter. Jupiter's magnetic field. We've already hit the sun. I cannot describe what this is, how it sounds like. The Milky Way galaxy. I know why they call it a horse head, because horse head right here. Already part 4? That was like 6 minutes! Earth gets hit with everything, so it's gonna sound like... It sounds like a demon laughing like... Don't do that, that's bloody scary. I'm getting jump scared. What the fuck? Holy jeez. This is what I hate about. Callisto sounds like a glitching TV or something. What a very sounds like a freaking hacking. Someone's hacking. Oh, we're getting to the moons. No, not Phobos and Deimos. I'm moving away from Phobos. Radio signal from Saturn. This seems very creepy. I just paused it with my foot. Titan doesn't sound normal. Scary sounds of space. I think I just muted it. Horsehead Nebula. Bubble Nebula. NGC 7635. Space does. Relaxing music.
Play War Thunder now. Join millions of players across the globe in massive battles on tanks, aircraft, and helicopters in the most extensive
Do I want to be watching Space Sounds? Eagle Nebula. Whoa! This looks like an eagle or something, because it's called the Eagle Nebula. It looks way more than an eagle. Carina. A Carb Nebula was basically a star that eventually exploded 2 billion years ago. Tarantula Nebula, ew! 2070, we're in 2,000 years into the future. I'm joking. No. I've already heard about. Oh my god. What the f. Microquasar, what the f. Well, this sounds like a stupid. These are no, this actually sounds like music I ain't even kidding. Phantom! Sorry, I keep. My mic fell, sorry, my mic fell off my desk. Oh, I'm back. No, thank you, boo, 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 poo, 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 ass. Sagittarius A is a massive black hole. No! Oh, what the fuck? my god, that scared me. Oh no! Oh my god, finally it ended there. Oh, that was scary. Neutron stars. Use earphone. I'm wearing headphones. Do this again. Interstellar medium. Oh my. Next video. Error. Next one. Finale. Why does this planet sound alive? I don't know why it sounds alive. This is gonna be the last video before we end this video. Let's go, baby. Okay. What the actual fuck did I just listen to? Wait till we get to Phobos and Deimos, but everyone's gonna get pissed. The second I say Phobos and Deimos, it just comes on. Deimos probably sounds worse. Skip it over! Genius. All wins are nothing special. Miranda. What even is this sound? That goes around Uranus, by the way. We're about to go. Hoodie up! Interstellar space. What the fuck? Achievement behind me! No! I got eaten by the funny. Oh, someone help. I've already hit this one. No. I think you know what is happening. Every alien in the universe is on Ganymede and destroying the planet. I'm hacking the planet. Imagine if you could hack an asteroid to head towards you. No, stop! Rithea. This one actually feels hostile. Everyone torture me more. I'll show you what I mean. Wait. This is what it sounds like. Wait. It sounds like that technically. It sounds like water. What do you mean you don't like this? It's only water sound. That's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Gotta end the video. Bye. Bye, guys.